TRT is always beneficial. It's always beneficial. It's not always needed.
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
Nick says he's 47 years old. Then he gives all his blood results. Total T 441, free T11, and so on and so on. But the most important thing, his symptoms: no libido, loss of strength in the gym, cardio, minor depression, minor brain fog, and so on and so on. Would TRT be beneficial? I guess it would, with all those low T symptoms.
TRT is always beneficial. It's always beneficial. It's not always needed. Okay? It's always going to give you the opportunity to make yourself feel better because it allows you to control where you're going to be, and you can literally dial that volume up or down. It's not always needed. It's not always the underlying cause of your problems. So again, further diagnosis and assessment, which you have to understand, medicine is a business like any other. Whether your provider owns his own practice or works at a practice, time is money. And for them to spend the time to diagnose things that are outside of their treatment protocols where they get paid, these assessments are really going to come down to you and yourself over the course of time to do trial and error at home and change your lifestyle and change your diet and change. Nobody is going to monitor your diet and exercise and sleep patterns for a year because no one is going to get paid to do so. Yep. So this is why the education that we're trying to provide you is so essential. You are your best provider. And when you do choose to go to a provider who specializes in a field, they're not going to open a book of life and say, here is what I think. They're going to treat their field. So when you go to a TRT clinic, sure, they're going to say, well, the benefits of T seem to align with some of your symptoms. Let's put you on T. If you go to a neurologist, he's going to say, well, here are some neurological effects that may intertwine. Let's try this. So you have to be your own advocate here. Figure out why you're depressed. Figure out why you're having all these issues by itemizing a list of everything in your life. Make a column down like an account, right? One side is the benefits, one side is the in and out. Here's all the things I feel that I am doing correct on a daily basis. Plan out your day in your head and say, I wake up, I do this. Is this good for me? Is my morning coffee good? Is my morning walk good? I have my meeting at work. Does this cause me stress? Literally write down everything on one side that you feel is adverse to your life and everything that's beneficial. And start to see, you may say, holy cow, I got a list of 25 things that are hurting me. And I only have 3 things that actually relax me and make me happy. I play with my dog. I watch a movie with my kids and I go for a morning walk. That's all I do to make me happy. But here's 30 things that literally destroy my life. My diet, my sleep, my this, my that, right? No one is going to do this for you. And then start to make a shift. And once you shift that over, sit back and reassess in 2 months to say, has my depression been alleviated or improved? Is my libido better, right? These are not related to testosterone whatsoever, but no provider is going to sit there and do this for you. So start fixing yourself. And when you have literally exhausted every option, start to say, what can I do with medication now? People are running to clinics saying, I woke up with a headache and my wife pissed me off last night and my kid failed an exam and my car insurance bill is due. What can I take?
Yeah, I need an antidepressant is what it'll, and doctors will give it to them. And it just, it's insane how often I see that. But your points are excellent, Gil. I mean, this stuff is, we're not here to, we can't tease through all these things with people. I know they, and I get messages, novels, I'm sure you do too. And I feel bad that I can't do that for every person.
Wish we could duplicate ourselves 100 times and literally just do pro bono work for everyone.
Well, it's not like we're doing anything groundbreaking. We're trying to help people by talking about the things that you just said, right? Is assess your life. Stop blaming things on a hormone. Yes, TRT or testosterone is going to probably make you feel better in a lot of ways. It's not going to fix the toxic food you eat, the toxic relationship you're in, the toxic drugs you're taking. It's not going to fix any of that, right? You have to do that. And people don't want to hear that. They just don't. And that's just our society. Okay. But like I was saying earlier, the guys who do make the changes, they reap the rewards the most. You see it in them. And that's why we do it. And there are some guys I take on that come to me from the group, and I know right away I'm not going to be able to help. I can tell by the questions they're asking, a week into their new trial of TRT or dose change, they're already messaging me 8 million things that they think are wrong and they want to change and they want to check labs right away. That person is probably not going to feel better. I mean, it's just, we can only help so much. You have to change your mindset. You have to stop looking for a scapegoat with a lab number to address things that may have nothing to do with that.